Are you finding it challenging to build a stunning and fully functional astrology app? Developing an intuitive user interface for live consultations, horoscopes, and expert connections can be incredibly time-consuming and complex. Discover Astrolite, the ultimate astrology horoscope live consultation app UI template designed to streamline their development process. Astrolite offers a professionally crafted, modern, and clean UI template built with Flutter for seamless Android and iOS performance. It empowers you to create an engaging user experience, allowing instant connections with astrologers. This comprehensive template features over 50 unique and beautifully designed screens. Easily implement onboarding, login, and sign-up flows. Users can explore daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly horoscopes with elegant presentation. Browse astrologer profiles and engage in live chat or call consultations directly. Manage secure in-app payments and wallet recharges effortlessly. Offer advanced features such as Kundalini matching, puja booking, and personalized report generation. Astrolite also includes sections for blogs, remedies, and an in-app shop to expand functionality. Its well-structured code, reusable widgets, and Material 3 design ensure easy customization. Save significant time and resources, launching your feature-rich astrology application much faster. Elevate your app development project with Astrolite Today. Find the link to download this powerful UI template right in the description below.